Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 6.2.6 and we are going to use DNF to remove an RPM package. So run snake run is a Python GUI package installed on the server. Since this facility is no longer being used, the IT manager has asked you to uninstall the package. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to use the DNF command to uninstall the run snake run app package. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So we just go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we'll wait for the lab to load, but should in case you find this video to be helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership where you get insiders detailed video one-on-one guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Sometimes the lab takes time. I don't know if it is a network from my end or from TestOut itself, but we'll just wait for it to load. Alright, so this has loaded. We'll go straight into the terminal. Okay, and then we're gonna type in DNF space remove space run snake run dot loac, press enter, and then in the question below we type Y to indicate yes and you press enter. Go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other educational platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.